We listen. To the sounds of beating hearts and the sound of beating wings. These sounds call for the opportunity to take on new challenges and to build cities bustling with dreams. Humble knocks at the hearts aspiring for a better world create a miracle for sharing for the future and growth of mankind. Responding to the knocking, hands of aid poured in from all over the world. Learning from the experience, the Economic Development Corporation Fund was created in 1987 and has since contributed to the burgeoning of industrial development and economic stabilization of the developing world through official development assistance. EDCF's assistance and support changes the map of a nation. Transportation, restore the environment, water resources, empower the engine of economic growth, energy, and build the foundation for a healthy life and promising future, medical care, communication. In doing so, we observe the sounds of beating hearts all along, racing for the future. EDCF promises to deliver diverse support and technical cooperation for our partner countries' sustainable growth. Striving to live to work another miracle is where our future lies. EDCF is committed to developing projects and providing strong support for each developing country's needs. It also plays an important role for domestic companies to enter overseas markets in the areas of ICT-based technology, value-added, low-carbon transportation, and climate change responses. Believing sharing is the synonym for growth. EDCF supports the bright future of the recipient countries, making a great leap to become donor countries. Keep knocking on the door to a promising future, where we can learn to grow and to grow to share. It is only by taking challenges that we can realize our dreams.